Okay, hindi ko alam kay Lorenzana. Doon ka rin nakatira. Do you stay there with them? No.
I live in Global City.
Okay, Juji, mga kaibigan, is part of West Side Story, which is
Yes.
still running, right?
Yes, until October 12. It's with Christian
Until
Bautista.
October 12, yes. And Joanna Ampil. Okay, Chrissy, nandito
Yes,
ang,
boy. I'm looking at the lot.
Interesting, no?
It's super
Okay.
nice.
Para kay Gucci, no?
Yes.
Do you have theater training in the States?
Yes, I went to New York and studied there.
Okay.
And,
All right, so nandito ang eksena.
Okay. You see your crush, okay, and she's with a group of friends. You want to talk to her. Naku, this is very Gossip Girl, Serena and
then?
Jan moment.
Wow.
Anong gagawin mo para makausap mo yung crush mo?
Okay, ang crush mo ay halimbawa si Micaela, okay? Nag-uusap-usap sila, nagchichikahan. Kunyari, ano ba, alam na, hindi pa niya alam na type mo siya. Hindi pa alam ni Micaela na type mo siya. And then, girls, you're not just interested, okay? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action!
Yes, alam mo ba? Ganda nung pinunta natin kanina. Oo nga, pero alam mo,
excuse me?
may isang lalaki na parang natignan niya
Ella,
ako.
Ella.
Parang
Hi,
hello?
my name is Gucci Lawrence.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine. Yeah.
I saw you cross the room and I just wanted to say hello. I thought maybe you'd want to have some coffee or something.
I'm not sure. I'm with my friends kasi. Sino ka?
You want to join? You guys want some coffee? I'll buy I'll treat.
No, punta tayo dun.
That's fine.
May gagawin pa kasi kami eh.
Yeah, sorry, bye-bye.
Oh, but can I join you guys? Yeah.
Hindi kita kilala. Sorry, hindi namin kita kilala.
But no, but we have class together. I saw you in school.
Pero, sorry, I don't know you. Sorry.
Kawawa naman.
Bye-bye.
Cut! Robbie, ikaw, comment. Ano sa palagay mo? Tama ba? Sang-ayon ka ba sa estilo halimbawa ni Gucci?
Well, dapat ano muna siya, parang naka-blend in muna siya sa conversation until...
Ayaw nga siya pagbigyan eh. Hindi nga pinapansin eh. Ibibili na nga ng coffee. But how do you do it? Halimbawa, pag sobra ang resistance.
Dapat same.
Totoo yun? Okay, John.
Well, tama.
Tama.
Yung sinabi ni Rafi.
Ang hirap kasi magpumilit, di ba?
Mararamdaman mo naman yung Tito Boy if hindi ka gusto nung...
Hindi, pero may mga girls talaga na iba rin ang mensahe, di ba? Gusto nila, pero wait, we don't wanna talk to you kasi...
Or pwedeng instead, can I just get your number or some other time?
Raver, ikaw, ano, comment?
Okay po yun, saka diretso siya, di ba? Kung gusto mo talaga makilala yung babae, okay yung ginawa.
Okay naman. Congratulations. Abay, marami pang magaganap ang kaibigan ngayong umaga. Kaseksihan po ang ating pinag-uusapan. At kailangan naman si Justin ay sa ating pagbabalik yan. Magbabalik po ang Boy!
And Chris! Okay, time to pay. Oh my gosh, you left your wallet. Hala. You have no money. Pero yung crush mo, katabi mo, utangan mo yung crush mo. Go, go, go.
Okay, si Uriet halimbawa. Si Uriet, ang crush sa jeep. Ang sa jeep hindi na nakatayo. Alam mo, kayo, sabi ko sa inyo, dapat may upuan eh. Para kunyari nasa jeep. Okay. Hindi, sa ano na, jeep. Bus na lang, sa bus. Okay. Anong MRT, nagbabayad ka bago ka pumasok dun, ha? Okay. You know the situation. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Can you give a more real situation? Fast food na lang. Nakapila ka to pay. Diba? You're here. There's the counter. I'm paying. Or Starbucks. I'm paying. Tapos, woo! I have no wallet. Oh gosh.
Pero date mo.
No. Crush. You're in front. Crush is behind you. You have no money.
Okay.
Siniserve niya sa'yo.
correct. Okay. Dito ka.
Diba?
Tapos,
Oh,
Uriet,
I should have
dito
written
ka.
the script for
Next.
today.
Okay.
Grabe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action! Ako pala yung nagtitinda. Andali. Ano? Bilis-bilisan mo, mahabang pila. 162 pesos.
Hindi lang po
Time na tayo.
Excuse me. Mahaba ang pila. Bilisan mo.
Uriet, alam mo ba siya ganda mo, saka mukha ka naman mabait.
Ha?
Mukha ka naman mabait.
Miss, gusto mo kayo muna dito?
Nakalimutan ko.
Salamat.
Magkano ka dito? Halika. Magkano ka?
Tapos ka na?
Pwede mo
Parang yung line na yun naman, pambading eh,
Okay.
di ba?
Okay.
Uy, boy, crush kita, libre mo ako.
Aba, ganun na ngayon. Chris, diretsa na. Ganun na. No, I like it. Justin, salamat. You know,
Ay,
like,
naku, let's pause for a break. We need to drink coffee.
paano mo gagawin yun? Maganda yun, ha? Huy, crush kita. Can you pay for me? Diba? Did you like it? Rafi, ikaw, you. At saka hindi ka naman crush at hindi mo siya crush. Iba yung crush.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Okay.
Star Magic, maraming salamat. I
Maraming
really,
salamat.
where's the catalog?
All the best.
Yun,
Ito.
there. It's super nice, ha?
You know, good luck. Totoo. Good luck. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. Pero one day, I'm sure one of you or all of you will be big stars. We will be running in circles. We will see you again, again, and again. Good luck. All the best.
Alam
Okay?
mo si Enrique, pwede siyang kapatid ni Angelica Panganiban. Magkamukha sila talaga,
That's
di
true.
ba?
Si Ken.
Super, di ba?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Public pa po ang
Boy!
Ken Quiz.